After much drama around the new year, new beginnings, and new year resolutions, how many people do you think will actually do any of it? Statistics are depressing, as those who claim, I'll start on Monday, I'll begin on the 1st, I'll do it next year, they tend never to do it. The truth is that one can start a new business or a brand new life in any given day of a year. All it takes is a little bit of clarity on what you want, a little bit of hope in your heart, and a little bit of courage in your brain. And that's it. Until, of course, the moment you begin, a whole host of self sabotaging thoughts, doubts, and crippling limiting beliefs come out to play and mess around with your every move and your every decision along the way. And that's not a nice place to be in, right? So do yourself a favor, my human friend, and use the window of opportunity that's right now in front of you and make potentially the best decision to date in your life. Join my RS Method workshop that's coming up soon and redesign your psychology from the ground up. Liberate yourself from your past emotional wounds. Release piled up anger, sadness, fear, hurt, guilt, shame. Say goodbye to any anxiety whatsoever. Free yourself from self-sabotaging thinking patterns and restore belief in yourself and your confidence. Get clarity in life and a clear direction. Delete the story of a small, scared self and replace it with the powerhouse that you are. Overcome any internal conflicts and become aligned from within. If you decide to join us, I promise and guarantee all of that and so much more. As a New Year incentive for a few smart people, I even have a whole host of specials lined up. To make this a no-brainer for you, watch this. From now until January 10th, you'd be silly not to grab a seat for yourself. These events are live and in person, but we also have virtual seats as well so that you can attend it from the comfort of your home. Work on yourself and heal yourself. Or take it up professionally and start a whole new career as an RS Method coach. Reach out right away, tell me what you need and care about the most, and inquire about the current specials. My whole team and me, we are more than keen to serve your highest purpose. Reach out and do your part. So many people pray for the very things that I can do for them. And when their prayer is answered and I finally show up in their life, they don't remember, they don't realize that they still have to raise their hand, reach out, and take action towards what they want. The gift of the new year, the gift of the new you is knocking at your doorstep. Will you take action now? Open that door and let me into your heart.